Welcome to From the Bottle. I'm making a rosemary hummus. Now I know that everyone has their own hummus recipes and there's a million of them out there, and this is just another fun way for you to use your essential oils. I'm using rosemary oil and lemon oil in this recipe. But before I get going, I wanted to ask you to please like and subscribe below. And if you'd like to know when I post new videos, please click that bell and you'll be notified. Okay, are you ready? Here's another awesome hummus recipe using essential oils. So I just finished filming the last video and I had some pita chips and bread on the counter, and my husband walked in and without saying anything just grabbed a bite, and he said, "Ooh, that's good. Is there rosemary in that?" And I said, "Yeah, from the bottle."